Today we're going to show you how to assemble the NewTechWood St. Charles Outdoor Patio Side Table. All parts, tools, and hardware required for assembly are included in your kit. To get started, take component A, the table top, and place it upside down, like this. Then place component B, the legs for this side, like this. To secure it, we're going to grab two S1 screws and your hex key tool and tighten on each side. Next, we're going to grab our C components. These are our connecting rods for legs at the base. You're going to take one at a time, and just like before, you'll take an S1 screw and your hex key tool to each side on the opposite end of the leg. Finally, you'll grab the legs for the other side, which is another component B, and place it just like the other side. Take your remaining S1 screws, your hex key tool, and tighten all four corners. Turn the unit right side up, and you're done. Enjoy your new St. Charles patio table from NewTechWood. Thanks for watching.